Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about my experiences and difficulties I face in this video, which is a mature intumescent cataract with poorly dilated pupil and shallow anterior chamber. So let's start with the case. While making the side ports, we need to remember that the MBR blade should be put slowly because it may pierce the anterior capsule and the iris, and it will further lead to an Argentina flag sign. Now I have put phenokin to assess maximum dilatation I could get, and now it is not very helpful. So I proceed with the staining of the anterior capsule, and later on I realize that little bit of dye can be put under the iris because there are high chances of Rex's run out and I will not be able to appreciate it. So I decided to put pupil expanders, which is iris hooks in this case. So four four paracenteses are made with the help of MVR blade, and it should be made in such a way that anterior one-fourth of the blade should enter inside the anterior chamber. Now let's put iris hooks. Iris hooks are held with the help of Kelman-McPherson forceps from the silicone stopper, and G loop should be facing toward the anterior capsule and engage the iris into the hook part. After engaging, silicone stopper is moved toward the limbus while keeping iris hooks at the same place. I usually prefer to put 4 iris hooks to maintain the uniformity in the size of the in the shape of the pupil. You can also use 5 or 6 iris hooks. Next step is to make capsular opening using cystitome made with 26 gauge needle. As I start capsular access, it has gone into the periphery due to its intumescence nature. So I decided to do can opener technique. Now it's time to perform the emulsification of nucleus, and I usually prefer to do direct chop in these type of cases. Nucleus core seems to be soft as seen in this video. So after cracking the nucleus, each piece is taken one by one and aspirated very smoothly. After aspiration of nucleus, I can see a good glow and PC seems to be intact. Now I will be removing the iris hooks because the main purpose have been served, and each iris hook is uh, mobilized and loosen up. The stopper is pulled away from the limbus, and each iris hook is removed one by one. Now it's time to do irrigation and aspiration of the remaining cortex, and it is to be done very gently as it is not a continuous curvilinear capsular axis. It was a can opener opening. Now the implantation of intraocular lens is done, and it is directly injected into the bag, and the remaining haptic is also dialed into the bag, after which the remaining cortex and viscoelastic is removed with the help of irrigation and aspiration probe. Finally, the side port and main port are hydrated. Stromal hydration is done and the case is done. Thank you for watching the video.